Hey guys, it's Jasma, and today I'm going to show you 3 different avocado recipes. Avocados are very healthy foods, and I like to find different ways on how to eat them. So today we're going to make a guacamole, a avocado egg salad, along with a smoothie. So first, the guacamole. For this, you're going to need some very ripe avocados. You want them nice and soft, along with some chopped onions, garlic, tomatoes, cilantro, and a lime. Choose a ripe avocado and cut it in half. Having a ripe avocado is going to make it easier to mash since it's a lot softer. Then take the knife and take out the core of the avocado. Be sure you're careful here so you don't cut yourself. And then using a spoon, scoop out the inside of the avocado. Then take a fork and poke half a lime. This helps it release its juices. And then squeeze in the juice. The lime juice will prevent the avocado from oxidizing as you're working with it, and it also adds a nice acidic taste. Then mash up the avocado using a fork until it is a nice and smooth mixture and there are no huge clumps. And then add in the diced onions. And some salt. And just mix everything together until combined. I'm going to switch over to a spatula to make sure that really everything gets combined. Then add in some small diced cherry tomatoes along with chopped cilantro. And just mix everything until combined. Alright, once mixed, serve with some corn chips. Today I have some blue corn and flax chips, and I'm just going to pour it into my serving platter. Alright, so that's it with this guacamole. It's a really healthy snack that you can bring to school or just be eaten during the day. It's really quick and easy to prepare, so let's move on to our next one. Once again, take an avocado that's nice and ripe and cut it in half. Take out its core and scoop out the avocado into a bowl. Then using the help of a fork, poke half a lime and squeeze in its juice to prevent oxidization of the avocado, and then mash everything up with a fork until it's a nice and smooth mixture. Now crack and peel 2 hard-boiled eggs into this mixture. Then mash everything up with a fork as well. You can also chop it beforehand if you like, but it works either way. Then to this, I'm going to add in some toasted white sesame seeds, just to add some more flavor and texture, along with some chopped white onions. And for seasoning, you can choose to make a sort of sweet kind of salad, or you can make salty one. I'm going with the salt today. And then just mix everything together. To serve, I toasted some bread, and we're going to make some avocado egg salad sandwiches. This would be perfect to bring to lunch or be eaten as a breakfast. And lastly, we're going to make a green avocado smoothie with bananas and cucumbers. And this is super simple, just throw everything inside of the blender and blend until smooth. I'm using the banana as a sweetener for the smoothie, but if yours may not be ripe enough or you want it to be a little bit sweeter, you can choose to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey. For the cucumber, today I'm using 2 mini ones, but if you're using a regular English cucumber, you can just use 1. For the milk, today I'm using some almond milk. You can also choose to use regular milk or coconut milk. So those are my 3 different avocado recipes. They're all really nice and customizable, so you can change up the ingredients and add whatever you like and make them taste the way that you want it to. And it's also really great if you have any avocados inside of your house that are becoming a little bit overripe and you just want to use them. So I really hope you could try these out. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time. Bye!